Brazil, 36 people killed as heavy rain causes flooding and landslides in Sao Paulo state. A 7-year-old girl was among the dead as rescue workers continue to look for victims and reconnect isolated communities. At least 36 people have been killed after heavy rain caused flooding and landslides in Brazil. Authorities say a 7-year-old girl was among the dead as rescue workers continue to look for victims and reconnect isolated communities in Sao Paulo state. Roads remain blocked, trapping some tourists who had traveled for Sao Paulo state government said rain in the region had surpassed 600 millimeters, 23.6 inches, in one day, one of the highest amounts ever in Brazil in such a short period. Weather forecasts show heavy rains will continue in Sao Paulo's coastal area, challenging rescue teams and raising the prospect of more confirmed deaths. Sao Paulo state has declared a 180-day state of emergency for 6 cities after what experts described as an unprecedented, extreme weather event. Operations at the port of Santos were interrupted on Saturday, with winds exceeding 34 miles per hour and waves more than a meter high, according to local media. Sao Paulo Governor Tarcísio de Freitas will meet officials on Monday as they coordinate the response. President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, who was spending Carnival in Bahia state in Brazil's northeast, is set to visit the main affected areas on Monday, his office said.